Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best rivet guns in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best rivet guns. Starting at number 5, we have the WETOLS Rivet Nut Tool. The WETOLS Rivet Nut Tool is an inexpensive yet powerful device for any amateur or DIYer. It features 7 interchangeable mandrels in different sizes, making it versatile and functional. Each mandrel is constructed out of chrome-plated steel, increasing its durability. Best of all, they are heat-treated to be more indestructible, and the arm is built out of 45 carbon steel for maximum efficiency. This design also protects it from rusting or corroding if it gets wet or is left out in the rain. You can also conveniently carry the rivet gun and its accessories in a sturdy and rugged carrying case. It works great on tough surfaces such as aluminum. Moving on at number 4. We have the Malco 2 Indiana 1 Hand Riveter. If you don't need a whole lot of extras from your rivet gun, the Malco 2 Indiana 1 Hand Riveter is a great, streamlined, simplified choice. It's a stripped-down rivet gun without frills and features. But it's so easy to use and control that you can operate it with just one hand. This tool features a single long stroke and a short ratchet action so you can set larger diameter rivets in place, and it offers 3 different nose pieces 1/8, 5/32, and 3/16 inch each, to choose from. All of the nose pieces store conveniently in the gun's handle, too. You'll be able to set the most popular rivet sizes with this handy gun. A slim nose lets you get into hard-to-reach places, giving you a bit more versatility. And it's built to last, thanks to its heavy-duty steel body, polished finish, and a layer of nickel chrome plating. A vinyl cushion grip helps add a little extra comfort to your hands. The biggest downside is the price, as this rivet gun is expensive for its simplified design. Also, the nose pieces aren't labeled, which can make picking out the right size for your rivets a bit of a challenge. At number 3, we have the Aero Heavy-Duty Riveter Kit. Not all rivet guns are built for heavy-duty use cases, but the Aero Heavy-Duty Riveter Kit is. Designed to stand up to professional-level use and all kinds of riveting work, this is more than just a gun. It's a gun and an assortment of 120 rivets in sizes from 3/32 to 5/32 of an inch. This tool is built for all kinds of riveting tasks, with 100% steel construction, a spring-loaded loading system, an extended nose for longer reach, and 4 interchangeable heads. Additional perks, like spring-loaded molded grips that won't slip and a handle lock, make it even more convenient for an array of different jobs. In particular, the steel construction makes the gun durable enough to handle almost anything. And you'll have everything you need, from portability to the right reach for awkward or tight spaces, to make riveting easier. However, this rivet gun can't be used with all steel or stainless steel rivets, as it's only recommended for aluminum. It's also worth noting that this gun has a very wide opening distance. You'll have to open it fully after each pump, and this makes it a two-handed tool if you want it to stay steady. At number 2, we have the Milwaukee Electric Tools M12 Rivet Tool. The Milwaukee Electric Tools M12 Rivet Tool may be small, but this is one powerful rivet gun. And if you've been using a hand-powered version, you're going to enjoy how speedy, easy, and efficient your work becomes with this tool. This cordless rivet gut works quickly and maintains consistent performance. It doesn't require any compressors or hoses but instead runs on a rechargeable M12 battery. It pulls 3 30-seconds, 5 30-seconds, and 3/16" rivets and can handle up to 450 rivets on a single battery charge. Plus, it'll reduce your muscle effort by more than 60% compared to a basic hand rivet gun. And thanks to its rechargeable battery, you can take your rivet gun anywhere and work with ease. The biggest drawback to this powerful but small rivet gun is that it doesn't actually come with the battery you'll need to power it. Instead, you have to purchase the M12 battery separately. Additionally, some users note that the head can feel a little loose while working. And finally at number 1, we have the Astro Pneumatic Tool Hand Rivet Kit. Whether you're a first-time rivet gun user or an experienced pro, the Astro Pneumatic Tool Hand Rivet Kit is a tool you'll enjoy using. It's convenient, simple, and easy to master and gets its job done quickly. This gun features an innovative tool-less quick change head and lets you easily swap out mandrels and nose pieces by hand, with no extra tools required. Plus, you'll never have to disassemble the entire tool thanks to its spring-loaded inner hex sleeve, which automatically locks the hand-installed mandrel in place. The rivet gun has 6 interchangeable mandrel and nosepiece sets, plus 10 rivets in standard metric and say sizes. You'll also find the tool's shorter handle paired with double compound hinges helps you maximize your leverage, a detail that's especially great for off-road vehicles modifications. Just make sure you lubricate the gun before using it. It arrives bone dry, making it a real challenge to use it right out of the box. Additionally, the handles don't pull, which may require some calibration while you get used to the tool's design. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.